The purpose of this tutorial is to show you how to create an output from one function that goes to two different functions. So the first step is to create your first I/O pairing between the two functions. So just drag from the green. That creates your first input. You can label that however you want. Now you want to select your new I/O input. Now click on the Relationships tab. In the Relationships tab, you want this input to be received by more than one function. So you want to click in the Receive box and then Relate to Existing Entities. Now you may be able to see the name of your entity here. If you don't, you can just type in the name of your entity and then it'll come up there and you can select it. Okay, now you want to click down and away. Now it does not look like anything has happened here. That's because the screen has not refreshed. So what we're going to do is click onto the main screen again, click Save. Now click back to your diagram and now you'll notice that you have the entity in both places. And you'll notice it also has two different labels. Those labels are linked. These two labels are actually the same thing and they're linked together.